Welcome to RidgeLife. I'm Tim, and today on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos, I think I'm missing something. I think we need a pallet fork attachment on Old Blue, my 55 horsepower New Holland Workmaster tractor. Today we're going to be reviewing and trying out Titan Attachment standard fork pallet attachment with 48-inch forks. Let's do this. This is Titan Attachment standard pallet fork attachment. I opted for the 48-inch pallet forks. You can get those in all different sizes. Some of the really cool features, this thing's rated for about 4,000 pounds overall. Easy on quick attach system. You saw how I put the forks on with these little receptacles right here, slide them down with the retaining clips. Very, very nice. Also has hay spear receptacles. You know, when move some round bales, to stabilize it, stabilizing spear receptacle right there. Another cool feature, trailer hitch receiver. Put your trailer hitch ball right there, hook your utility trailer up to it, navigate it anywhere you want with your tractor. That makes it very, very easy. If you want one of these, go check out TitanAttachments.com. I have a link down in the description. It's so nice to have actual pallet forks on the front of Old Blue. Before, I was using those little slide-ons that go on the front of the bucket. Those definitely aren't rated and capable as these are. All right, check this out, guys. 9-inch auger. We have a 60 horsepower 3-point attachment auger right there. Let's go ahead and see if I can get this put on this pallet right here. Get this out of the way. And I probably need to just strap this on. And we'll use our pallet fork attachment right here. See if we can get a little strength on there. See if we can slide it off without that falling off there. If we can get this all the way back, then we'll get it loaded up, taken out. I'm going to be using this 3-point post hole digger in the future on another project up on the ridge. It's going to be massive, it's going to be awesome, and I know you can't wait to see it. Not today though, not today. With the quick attach system, the standard pallet fork attachment from Titan Attachments goes on and off just like this. I can't believe I haven't had one until now. I'm going to be putting it to use all over the ridge. If you want to see that happen, go check out RidgeLife. That's right, RidgeLife. That's my channel where I'm building an off-grid barn dominium, solar, racking, carport, all kinds of really cool things over there on RidgeLife. If you want to see other product reviews and how-tos, I'll be doing this 3-point post hole digger with a 9-inch auger very, very soon on RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos. So make sure you're subscribed to RidgeLife's Reviews and How-Tos. And if you're not subscribed, I don't know why you're not. It's 100% free. Hit that notification bell to be notified anytime a new video comes out. I sure appreciate it. Like, share, and subscribe. So until next time, hope everyone has a blessed day, and go RidgeLife.